You know what they say, if you want to learn how to do something, do it wrong and post it on the internet. Let's get into it. If you missed part 1 of this jointer extension upgrade, you can check it out by clicking the link above. But essentially, the digital woodworking community had some words of wisdom for this solution. Add ground support. For 2 reasons. 1, because the factory table is aluminum, the concern was that it would warp and bow over time in this configuration. 2, that supporting it this way might throw off any blade height tuning. And while I can be a little thick-headed, I decided better safe than sorry and reinstated some support blocks below. I'm still glad I added these cutouts to the workbenches. It gives me a more flush connection point and eliminates my dough-legged mount's top heaviness. And while I still do most of my final fine-tuning and dimensioning on the planer, I'm sure future, wiser woodworker Haley will thank me for taking the internet's advice and protecting the jointer table. Thanks for watching. For more fixing my own rookie mistakes, projects, and shop upgrades, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I love hearing from you guys, so please don't hesitate to comment below. Until next time.